video us?
I'm gonna video the monster truck race.
Are we gonna get our hands? Mom.
Okay, so who do you have racing?
It is
Ninja Turtle.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
Okay. Against who?
Against
You have to read who they
Bad
are.
News Travels Fast.
Okay.
Ethan, you're doing it. You gonna do it this time?
Are they gonna jump over the cars?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
I think it's gonna be Ninja Turtle.
Yeah, wait, hang on. But since we don't actually have like a street light or something like that, so and there's like a line, so we just make the car.
Okay.
Come on.
All right, go.
Hang on.
I need a video of this monster truck race.
That is like a monkey
Hang
sector.
on. Put this one here and this one here. Okay.
All right.
Mark, get set, go. You totally did it wrong. You did it wrong.
Why? Who won? It was hard to tell. It looks like Ethan
This one.
crashed.
No. Ninja Turtle.
Ninja Turtle won?
Yeah. Teenage Mutant Ninja.
Hi, love.
And before Mom did it, this car won. Couldn't do like colors.
Tell me something good.
Gravedigger versus this weird thing. So we ran out of monster trucks, so we're just picking weird ones.
All right.
And kind of truck. You wanna do it?
You know.
Did you say I'm American Psycho? You?
Yeah.
Get into it.
The monkey sector.
Oh, that wasn't even a race. What was that?
Gravedigger wins!
What do you think, Ethan? Who won that one?
I think Gravedigger.
Oh, man.
Actually, yeah, we don't have lots of little ones. That'd be easy with little.
Yeah. All right.